Hello everyone! In our last video we explained how to create your own decks. Now it's time to learn how to fill them with cards. Here are 3 ways to create a card in MemoCard. Number 1. Add in one card at a time through the Add Card button inside the app. You may use this method if you want to customize your card right away or make a card with multiple answers. It also works if you are already inside the deck while creating or editing it. Number 2. Add in one or multiple cards at a time through the Telegram chat with MemoCard. This way is quicker because you don't even need to launch the bot. It is really helpful when you don't have much time and just want to create the card while you remember it. But you can't apply formatting to the card, so for any additional changes, you still need to launch MemoCard. Number 3. Add in one or multiple cards with the help of AI. The power of artificial intelligence provides the fastest and easiest process to create cards. Basically, it's pretty similar to both previous methods, but AI helps to fill the cards for you. You just type in the front side of the card or even ask this artificial helper to generate whole list of cards based on your prompt, and it will take care of the rest. Let's look closer at each of the ways. When you open the deck, you can add the card right away with the Add Card button. The same button is located on the page of editing the deck. In both cases, you launch the page of manual input of the card. Let's create a card for will in Spanish. With this method, you have the access to all formatting options and additional actions with card. We will explain all of that in the next video. When you save the card, it appears in the list of cards of your deck. To save the time, you can create a card right through the Telegram chat with MemoCard. All you need to do is enter words for the front and back sides of the card, separated with the combination space-space. Don't forget those spaces, so MemoCard can differentiate front and back sides from the plethora of words with hyphens in various languages. Then you choose which deck to save the card into and check if everything is alright. At this stage, you can edit the front or back side or add an example before saving the card. Once saved, the card will automatically appear in the list of the cards of the chosen deck. The same way you can create a card with an example, just don't forget to separate it from the back side by the same space-space combination. To customize the appearance of your card, you can always edit it inside the app. The big advantage of adding the card via chat is the ability to create more than one card at a time. You just need to type every new card from the new line in your message, and MemoCard will create the requested amount of cards. This way you can get a lot of new cards with just one message. The only way to simplify the creation of new cards even more is to have someone fill out the cards for you. Previously you had to type the content of both sides of the card and an example. But if you use artificial intelligence, you only need to fill the front side, and the rest is up to MemoCard. For this feature, you need to change the input mode of the deck, choosing from available combinations of languages. Now the AI generator will work whether you create the card through the Add Card button or through the chat with MemoCard. Both lets you to check the card so you can edit the content if you are not satisfied with the result. Artificial intelligence can help even if you don't know the specific words that you'd like to learn. On the page of editing the deck, you can ask the AI to create multiple cards for a specific topic. Make sure your prompt is detailed enough to get the best result. You need to specify what you want to see on the front side and back side of the card, as well as if you want to get the example for those words. Even AI can't know what knowledge you have already. So if it suggests some words that you know or find irrelevant to your request, you can delete them from the list. And just like that, your deck is topped up with new cards without much effort. The Artificial Intelligence feature is available for users of MemoCard Pro. Now you know about all the ways to create the card in our bot. We hope this video will help you to improve your experience of using MemoCard and boost your learning.